Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the host so the service runs reliably. Install updates, enable SSH for remote access, and assign a static LAN IP. This prevents address drift. Once done, pick a protocol. WireGuard if you want simple, fast tunnels, OpenVPN if you need broader client support. Make sure the box has a reachable public IP or configure dynamic DNS. Finally, open or forward UDP/TCP ports on your gateway to allow incoming VPN connections. This is the first actionable network step. Now you install and configure the VPN server itself. For WireGuard, generate a private/public key pair for server and each client. For OpenVPN, build a CA and per client certificates. Edit the server config, assign subnet ranges, push DNS servers, and declare allowed IPs. Enable IP forwarding in the kernel and add firewall rules. Use post-routing masquerade if the VPN should route traffic to the internet. Once done, start the service and verify it listens on the expected port. Test with one client configuration. Finish by provisioning clients and validating the tunnel end-to-end. Import or copy the client profile and keys, then connect and confirm you can reach internal hosts and resolve DNS as expected. If the VPN should carry internet traffic, verify the client sees the server's public IP. If something breaks, inspect server and client logs, ensure port forwarding matches the configured port, and verify kernel IP forwarding is enabled. Once done, automate start at boot and rotate keys as part of maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.